Happy iPhone 12 day! Yeah, oh, I can't wait. I am in the car. I'm on my way to my local Apple store, which is about 30 minutes away-ish. I have an 8 o'clock pickup. It is currently 7:18, so I will get there with time to spare. But yeah, so let's do this. So we are here, and let's go get, and there is the beautiful Apple Store. Okay, so I just got it. Process was a little interesting, but there it is, the Pacific Blue. Now most YouTubers would drive home, get a nice setup ready. That's not me. I can't wait. So we're gonna do an in-car unboxing. This is actually my second one, but I haven't got that video uploaded yet, so hopefully I've improved. So here we go. So this is the seat of my car, and here is the iPhone. You guys ready? You ready? Oh, that looks good. I love the flat sides. Let's power it up. So now here's something I'm a little worried about. With 5G, I ordered the SIM-free version of the phone. With 5G, you may need a new SIM. So we will see if this can actually work or not. There it is. So in the box, see, I go straight to the phone. Other people, they go to the other stuff. You got your cable, no power adapter. Oh well. And your SIM remove card. And paperwork. Nice little sticker. You only get one now. You used to get two, I think. But it's all about saving the environment. There it is. All right, I'm gonna get this set up. But even though that I have 5G, I still can't back up from iCloud without Wi-Fi. I don't, what? Huh? I mean, 5G's faster than Wi-Fi, or most people's Wi-Fi, but to get iCloud backup, I need Wi-Fi. And to get my device to sync over, I need remote secret entry title specified device password. I don't get you, Apple. So I'm gonna stand still right now. But this thing is amazing. I love the flat sides. Okay, little rant. I am now erasing this thing for the second time. Apple doesn't just work anymore. Just saying, you got a little too complicated. But yeah, but it's okay. I'm gonna set it up as a brand new phone because I don't really care anyway. I got nothing. I like doing it anyway, usually, but I didn't want to mess with it today. But now I have to. So, because for whatever reason, like, I guess since I'm not on Wi-Fi, it can't transfer the data. Since I'm not on Wi-Fi, it can't download the data off iCloud. And yeah, like, cellular connections are strong and fast. I'm sure it's a carrier thing, but I think Apple's big enough that they can say, you know what, carriers, too bad. If they want to do it, let them do it. I know originally they couldn't do that, but now I think they can. I mean, come on. This iPhone is hands down like the number one. Oh, and MagSafe works really cool. I'd show you an animation, but I can't yet because it's not set up. So yeah, setting up manually. All right, but that's it for now. the process continues. Alright, so I am finally back home. Everything is set up and back to the way it should be. I had to wait till I got home, repaired on Wi-Fi, did the phone transfer, everything worked perfectly then. So thanks for nothing, Verizon 5G, because you failed me. And just to rant just a little bit more, and then I will get off of it. But with how much Apple talked about 5G, I mean, they talked about 5G everywhere. And I had 5G. I mean, I didn't have the ultra wideband 5G, because I'm sure that's not in this area. But even in my house, like the 5G icon at least shows up. I really don't care about 5G. All I really care about is the flat sides. It doesn't take much. If that's all Apple did, if it was the iPhone 11, but they just flattened the sides, I would have bought it. I would have. But I mean, this thing, this blue, I'm going to show some close-ups here in a second, is beautiful. I love it. I love it. As you can see, it kind of looks gray in some lighting, but it is blue. Pacific blue, apparently, but does show fingerprints pretty easy. I've heard that the gold has an extra coating of some sort to prevent fingerprints. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because it's even more, it was more prone to them. I could see it showing them more often than, but I'm still trying to figure out my whole layout. Right now I just have the one page and then the app library. And as promised, here's that animation. So it's very sturdy, very strong. I kind of worry about it actually scratching the back, but so far it's done okay. I love the animation. I mean, it's not as good as the AirPower one, RIP, but it's still cool. This is very interesting, to say the least. So, but yeah, so it's nice. But one thing I did find out about this is that, so if you are a heavy iPad user as I am, if you plug it in and want to use this, it will not charge. Now the iPad is known to charge said devices, but not with MagSafe. So if I plug in this, it is charging, but not with MagSafe. So I don't know what MagSafe, other than pulling the more power, I'm guessing that's why. You think it would just go to a lower watt, but sadly it doesn't. It just doesn't charge. So this, if you're an iPad user, should not be in your travel bag because it won't help you. Amazing phone, highly recommend it. I still want to try out the mini. I don't know, I like small phones. This one feels a lot better than I thought it would. I think that having the 8 Plus for the last couple weeks helped with that. So that's great. I'm glad I had that because it made it feel smaller. But the flat sides also help. You know, it's a lot easier to grip, less likely it's gonna slip. So I love that as well. But yes, highly recommend this phone if you're thinking about upgrading. You have an older phone. I mean, let's be honest. If you're thinking about upgrading and you just bought an 11 Pro last week, I don't care. I'd still upgrade. Might as well. No hate here. No judgment. This is a purchase iPhone whenever you want. No judgment zone from me. So, hope you guys like it. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, that one works too. No hard feelings. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, please leave a comment down below and let me know. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.